Crab legs, mussels, corn. Our potatoes ain't done. Sausage, crab legs, shrimp, sausage, crab. We're about to get into it. You feel me?
I didn't even grab my phone.
You be making videos.
Take a picture.
Oh, we got some butter.
Hold on,
Butter
think I'm gonna give you
and
some.
onions,
I'm trying to find a good one.
mussels.
Is them good?
Lemon pepper.
Let me taste one.
Oh my. They don't understand how I love lemon pepper. Lemon pepper on everything. It's good.
Oh Lord, don't make the baby sick.
Sitting here with my daughter. Eating good.
That you can't eat that. I'm
Oh,
trying to break the damn thing so I can give you a piece. Open. Then you don't want it. Goodbye, cause you ain't finna sit up here and waste shit. Goodbye.
yeah, he gonna waste them.
Being picky and shit. I don't play about no damn seafood though.
We on.
Bye.
Okay, hold on. Here, one bite.
He gonna waste it. He ain't
Bite
gonna
it. Bite it. Was good? You don't like lemon pepper, do you? You don't really care for it, do you?
I eat it, but I don't want to eat too much.
Man, it make you sick.
No, just I'm trying to make sure.